Baby shakes.
I know cube, cone, sphere, and cylinder. Cube, cone, sphere, and cylinder. Shapes. Baby shapes. I know cube, cone, sphere, and cylinder. Cube, cone, sphere, and cylinder.
Cube, cube.
Cube, cube.
Can't you see?
Can't you see?
You look like a dice.
You look like a dice.
Roll with me.
Roll
like
like
me.
Cone, cone.
Oh.
Based on the video that you heard a while ago, what did you observe?
3D shape.
Pretty
Very
shape,
good.
ma'am.
And now, can you give me one by one all the 3D shape that you hear? Okay, what is the number one? The number one 3D shape that the video say is the cube. Can you give me an example of the shape of the cube?
Dice.
Okay, very good. This is a dice. This is one of the example of a 3D shape. Okay, what is the second
Cone.
3D shape that the video say?
Cone.
Okay, the cone. Can you give me an example of the cone shape?
Party hat.
Okay, very good. It's a party hat. And now, what is the third 3D shape that the video say?
Spear.
Okay, very good. The sphere. The example of the sphere is a ball. This is a ball. And now I have also the last one is a 3D dimensional shape. Can you give me?
Cylinder.
Very good. The cylinder. Can you give me the example of the cylinder?
Soda can.
Very good. It's a soda can. This is the one of the example of the cylinder, the soda can. But before that, I have introduced you another three-dimensional object or 3D shape. This is called rectangular prism. Can you give me an example of the rectangular prism? Notebook. Very good. The notebook is the example of a three-dimensional object or the rectangular prism. Okay, class. Can you give me the 5 three-dimensional 3D shape?
Cone.
Cube,
Cone.
cone, sphere, cylinder, and the rectangular prism.
Go.
What are the difference between two-dimensional object and three-dimensional object? Can you give me the answer?
Three-dimensional shape. 3D shapes can be defined as a solid figure or an object or shape that has three-dimensional length, width, and height, and also have thickness and depth.
Very good. And now, the three-dimensional object, it also have, okay class, I have here a cube. This cube has a faces, a edge, and the vertices. When we say faces, it is the flat part of the shape. The location is this. Can we count how many faces that the cube has?
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. We have 6 faces in the cube. And now, the edge is the straight line that separates the faces. This one. Can we count how many edges that the cube have?
12.
Very good. It has a 12 edges with the cube have. So we count it. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12.
Very good. And now, the cube also have a vertices. It means it is the corner is where a point where the two more lines meet. So we have
8.
8. So we count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Very good. If you really understand our lesson for today, can you give me an insight about our lesson? What are the 5 three-dimensional shapes that was discussed later?
Tama.
If you really understand our lesson for today, can you give me an insight about our lesson a while ago? What are the 5 three-dimensional shapes? Can you give me, Chris and Lee, the cube, the cone, the sphere, cylinder, and the rectangular prism? And now, can you give me the insight about our lesson a while ago?
3D shape is had faces,
Face,
tama is pieces,
nagubito mo.
edges, and vertices, and also have a solid figure.
Good job, everyone. So that if everyone has understand my discussions, I have here prepare an activity. I have grouped you in a 2 group, and in group has to find the 3-dimensional object. I have here a picture, and please stand up. So, okay. When I say the 3-dimensional shape, can you get it? And who will be the one to get it is the winner. Okay? Okay, Chris Sandy, can you find the sphere 3D shape? Okay, very good. Aldrin, can you find the cube? Cube. Okay, very good. And another one is the cone. Can you find, Chris, Auntie, the cone shape? Okay, very good. And now, can you find the rectangular prism? Okay, very good. The last one is the cylinder. Chris, Auntie. Okay, very good. The group 1 is the winner. And now I have prepared I prepare a quiz. The part 1 is matching type, draw a line from column A, real life object to column B, matching type. Okay, we finish our answer. So very good, correct, correct. How many faces does the cube have? The answer is 6. And how many eights does the square have? It's a 0.
0.
And then how many vertices that the rectangular prism have?
You have
It has
6, 8.
8. So very good. And now get your notebook and copy your assignment. Cut and paste another real-life object picture that represents the 3-dimensional shape. Okay. You are finished. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye,
Bye.
teacher.
See you tomorrow.